What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're going to be drawing a fried egg. Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll need a sketch pad and a pencil. I'm going to be drawing with this 2B Stadler pencil, but you can use whatever you're most comfortable with. Now the first thing I want to do is define the shape of our drawing. So in the center I'm just going to lightly sketch out a circle for the yolk. Starting from the very top, just working our way around. And the circle doesn't have to be perfect. We'll come back and just smooth this out later. Now on the outside of the yolk, we're going to define the outside edge of the egg white. So starting on the left, I'm just going to wobble this line going all the way around and up towards the top. We'll go back and just redefine this a bit. Now I want to define the crispy edge of the egg white. So starting from the bottom, it's going to go a little bit thinner, going around here, going up toward the top, and then just blending that out. Let's add a couple ripples along the edge, going around, and along the inside. Once we're happy with our composition, I'm going to go back and just darken up our contours. So starting with the outside edge of the egg yolk, we're just working with this rough sketch. So just kind of going in between, just trying to find the lines that make a perfect circle. And I want to define the shadow and reflection. So on the bottom right side, I'm going to add this little curve going around the shadow area. And then on the left side, we're going to add a shape for the highlight. I'm just going to wobble this around. Now this is sort of reflecting a window. And then along this line, working our way up, we're just going to shade that in. And just gradually fade that up towards that highlight area. Just working our way across. We're just going to rough this in first and come back and just smooth this out later. Let's go around the highlight. Just add a little slightly darker shade in behind so that highlight will stand out. Now along the outside perimeter, I'm just going to darken that up. I'm just going to add a ring going around the inside, coming down towards the bottom. And again, we're just doing this really rough. Bring that down towards that dark reflection. And again, just smoothing that out. Just darken up the area on the right side of that highlight, then across the bottom. Now we're just going to work our way around the yolk. Just going to darken this up and just fade that out. So the yolk is sort of sitting inside the shadow of the egg white. Now right here, I'm just going to add a couple little ripples going around. And now we're just going to work our way around the outside. Just darkening up the edges. And right up at the top, we're just going to bubble this up. So we're just going to roughen up that line. Now inside this area, we're just going to crisp that up. So we're just going to darken that up. I'm just going to go really rough. Just going to add a little bit more texture inside that area. Working our way across the bottom. I'm just going to darken up the outside edge, going around. Now inside the egg white, we're going to add a couple circles for some bubbles. I'm just going to place these in random areas around the drawing. And we want to also vary the size of these. And now we're going to go in and start defining our edges and adding some more contrast. So starting back at the yolk, we're going to start with the outside edge again. And with this yolk, I want to bring the shadow just along the bottom edge. So the light's coming from the top area going across. Darken up those shadows. Now we're just going to add a little bit of reflection, going across, and then back in towards the side. Let's go over towards that bubble. Add a little bit of reflection inside that bubble. Now right here, I'm going to add a little bit of shadow. So it's going to add that highlight right here in the space, and then add that crease, and then fade that out. So we have a little dip in the egg white, going down. Now I also want to round out this edge, so it's going to leave a little bit of highlight along that area. And we're just going to put a little drop shadow just underneath our egg, along the bottom edge, and then just fade that up. Now, as you get near the end, I'm just going to enhance our ripples and detail, and always be sure to sign our artwork. And that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of a fried egg. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show how to draw simple things just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.